A man was once walking in a forest and he happened to see an exotic bird. Being very charmed by it and wanting to have it as a pet, he tiptoed towards it from behind and caught it. To his utter surprise, the bird started talking and it said to him, "Please, release me. In return, I shall give you 3 gems, 3 valuable pieces of advice that can transform your life. I'll give you the first one only when you let me go. The second one when I fly up to that branch. And the third one when I fly up high to the very top of this tree." The man instantly agreed and let the bird go.